Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we are going to be doing a haul slash swatch party of the new Jeffree Star Cosmetics Supreme Gloss. Oh my god, did I go ham sandwich. Jeffree Star Cosmetics released his new Supreme Gloss lip gloss formula, and I'm very excited about it. So I did not watch his video about these, so I don't know a whole lot about them. So this is kind of like a blind review, but what I do know about these is, one, the doe foot applicator is very interesting looking. It almost kind of looks like a little vagina or flower petal. Those are just the first things that came to mind, honestly. And I do also know that these are very opaque, and I got a bunch of different colors. I did get mostly nudes, not even gonna lie about it, but I'm very excited to kind of try these out and swatch these. I am going to be wearing one color on my lips to kind of try it out, but the rest of these I'm just gonna be swatching on my arm because honestly, my lips would not survive swatching all of these because I got 10 of them. 10 of them. Oh, like seriously? Like, can we just, I have so many of them. I went nutty. I went nutty when I went on his site. I got so many of these. I did also get another velour liquid lipstick, which I am going to swatch really quickly as well. I don't have this color, and I don't ever remember him talking about this color. I really like his liquid lipstick formula. I'm wearing Cherry Wet on my lips right now with the highlighter over top of it to give it that kind of glittery look. But I love his liquid lipstick formula. I think it's great. I have like over 20 of these things. They're amazing. His liquid lipsticks range $18, and then the new Supreme glosses that he came out with, these are $20, which is pretty fucking steep for a lip gloss, so hopefully these are good. I spent $231.08. That's a lot of fucking money for lip glosses, okay? But you guys know I am a Jeffree Star Cosmetics fan. I am a Jeffree Star Cosmetics collector, and I usually only get stuff to collect that I know I'm actually going to use as well. I don't get every single product that he releases, but I do get stuff that I know I'm going to use and that I know is going to look aesthetically pleasing on my vanity here, so I'm very excited for these. So we are gonna unbox every single one of these. We're gonna swatch them. We're gonna try some on the lips, and we're also gonna swatch the new liquid lipstick that I got. So before we jump into the lip glosses, before we jump into the liquid lip, I just wanna say, if you're watching this video and you are not a fan of Jeffree Star or Jeffree Star Cosmetics, you don't have to watch, you don't have to leave a negative comment. If you see the title of this video and you're like, nah, that's fine, just exit out and you guys can watch future videos that I upload. And I like doing these videos because, one, tax write-off, and two, his products are fucking bomb. Like, the dude knows formula. The guy knows how to do eyeshadows and lip glosses and lipsticks and everything in between. He knows what's up, all right? So his stuff's amazing, worth the money. This is not PR. I have never ever received PR from Jeffree Star Cosmetics. Everything Jeffree Star that I own, I've purchased with my own money, always and forever, and always will. I mean, if they did want to add me to PR someday, you know, I wouldn't complain because that would be, woo, that would be a dream. With that out of the way, let's go ahead and jump into it. I know I look a little bit weird right now. I used the ColourPop freckle pen because I wanted to give myself like a cute little like look today. It looks a little extreme, I understand. I don't really know how to get these to work properly, but yeah, let's jump into it. Hi, welcome to my channel. Let's go. The liquid lip that I got is a color that I've honestly never heard him talk about. I saw it and I was like, I don't think I own that one, so I'm gonna get it to have it in my collection. And I really like the color, and this is what it looks like out of the box. It is a very dark nude, almost like terracotta. It kind of has like an orangey red to it. And this is in the shade Libra Lin, which I love that name. It does have a very nice smell to it. I like the way all of his liquid lipsticks smell. Sometimes he'll release collections where they don't have a scent, or they'll have a root beer scent or a vanilla or watermelon. So he is very versatile with the way his stuff smells, but it always smells good. And we're gonna take Libra Lin. Gosh, I love the way these smell. And we're gonna swatch it on my hand. Whoops. Ooh, that's pretty. So here's what Libra Lynn looks like swatch. It is a very, very dark nude, but I think it's actually going to be really flattering for my skin tone. It's not like super dark, but it's not super, super pale. These do dry down completely matte. They're transfer proof. They're amazing. I love them. And I really like this color. I feel like I have colors from his collection that are similar to this, kind of like Leo and Nathan, I think it is. Colors that are very, very similar. I'm a huge fan of nudes right here, as you can see. So I do have colors that are very similar, and I do like all of these colors. So I'm very excited to have Libra Lynn in my collection. I can't wait to wear it on my lips. You guys will probably see me wearing it in future videos, but this is a really beautiful color. So that is the only liquid lip that I got. Everything else is all the Supreme lip gloss formulas. So here is what the outer packaging of these bad lads look like. Just a pink box, and it says Supreme Gloss, and it has all the colors right here on the bottom. And when you open it up, I have not looked. I don't even know what the component really looks like. So this is going to be kind of like a, ooh, oh damn. Oh wow, these are fucking huge. Holy shit. Oh my god, these are so big. This is his first lip gloss formula, and here is the Supreme Gloss. So as you can see, the component is a little bit larger. It looks like you're getting a little bit more product in here. I don't exactly know the difference, but just right off the bat, it does look like you get more. So the first color that I got is this one, and this is in the shade No Shame. I really, really like the bottom of these, how it kind of looks like it comes to a point. So the component of these are really nice, and it just says Supreme Gloss right here, and then the lid is like a nice baby pink color, and it has the Jeffree Star logo on there, and it also says Jeffree Star Cosmetics. So I really like the component. I am super shocked with how big these are. So I mean, it kind of makes me feel better about spending $20 each on these. Let's go ahead and take a look at the doe foot, because this is, it's so different. I've never seen anything like this before in my life. It literally looks like a flower petal. Close view of what the doe foot looks like. It's very interesting. Like, it looks like it would contour and kind of hug your lips in a really, really nice way. Oh my god. Holy shit, these smell like frosting. Oh my god, I literally want to like... taste like frosting, they just smell like frosting. God, these literally smell like when you bake a cake and you take it out of the oven and you let it cool and you open that fresh can of frosting and you're frosting it. Oh my god. And I do know for a fact that Jeffree Star's favorite snack is to eat frosting out of the thing, which, you know, same. I'm going to swatch No Shame right here on my hand. Okay, so the formula is very, very opaque. The lip glosses feel pretty sticky. So here is what No Shame looks like swatched on the hand. As you can see, they do have a nice glisten to it. The formula is very, very opaque. I really, really like it. I'm really anxious to try one of these on my lips right now. Where is the one that I wanted to wear? One that I'm going to put on my lips right now, and I'm going to put it on over top of what I have because I feel like it would kind of match. And it is this lip gloss right here, which is Blood Sugar. So Blood Sugar is actually one of his most popular, best-selling palettes that he's ever come out with. Beautiful palette. So when I saw that he had a lip gloss called Blood Sugar, I was really excited. This one, I was expecting it to be a little bit more red, but this one actually looks to be a little bit more on the pink side. I'm gonna swatch it first and then I'll put it on my lips. So I'm gonna swatch it right next to No Shame. Again, the formula is the same. It's very opaque, a little bit on the sticky side. So here's what Blood Sugar looks like. So when you swatch it, it is a little bit more red, but I definitely do see more of like a bluey undertone, a little bit more on the pink side. And I think this will look really nice with, you know, everything that I have going on. Ooh, okay. Doe foot feels really, really good on the lips. I really like the way that that feels. I'm gonna try it on my top lip because I do have very small lips, so I'm curious to see how this is gonna go. Okay, so here's what Blood Sugar looks like over top of the lipstick that I already had on. The lipstick I had on was Cherry Wet, and this on top of it looks really nice. The formula is a little bit heavy, but not in a bad way. It's a little bit more sticky, and the color is very, very opaque. I do think that there is a little bit of a learning curve with this doe foot. It's very interesting. It's something like I've never ever tried before. I think the rest of the ones that I have are more nude. The next one I'm going to swatch for you guys is this one, and he does have a liquid lipstick in this same shade. This is in the shade Wifey. It almost kind of looks like unicorn blood, which is a blue toned red. I love the shade Wifey, and I think when I saw that they had a lip gloss in this, I was very, very excited. God, you guys, I literally cannot get over the fucking smell of these. They smell so good. As we go down my arm, I'm gonna swatch them like over my tattoo right here to see how they cover. I feel like that would be very interesting to like test the opacity of them. Here's what Wifey looks like swatched right underneath Blood Sugar. Absolutely beautiful color. Here's the little mini lipstick that I have in Wifey. I'm gonna swatch it right next to the lipstick. Oh, interesting. Okay. So the liquid lipstick actually looks different than the lip gloss. So here's the liquid lipstick of Wifey, and here is the lip gloss, or the Supreme Gloss. It does look a little bit lighter. This one definitely has more of like a brownie tinge to it. The formula of these are very, very thick, a lot thicker than the other lip gloss formula. I don't really have a preference between the two because I don't mind either feeling, like it doesn't bother me, but there is a definite difference in thickness compared to his other lip glosses. Next one I got, I'm super excited about. So my all-time favorite lipstick that Jeffree Star has ever come out with is Celebrity Skin, and when I saw he was releasing a Supreme Gloss in this, I had to get it. So here's the next lip gloss. This is in Celebrity Skin, my literal all-time favorite lipstick, probably until the day I die. That will always be my favorite. Looks like swatched right underneath Wifey. Such a true Celebrity Skin color. It matches absolutely perfectly. I know the Celebrity Skin color really, really well, like the back of my hand, no pun intended. So I'm really excited about this. I think this would look really nice just on the lips by itself without the liquid lipstick. Mwah, 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 mwah. The next one that I got is probably my second favorite, or third. I don't know, second or third favorite next to Posh Spice, but my other favorite liquid lipstick is Mannequin, and I saw that he had a Supreme Gloss in that one as well, so I picked that one up, and I'm going to swatch that right underneath Celebrity Skin, and we're starting to get over my tattoo, and it is very opaque just with one little swipe there. I'm very, very impressed with the formula of these. So here's what Mannequin looks like, swatched right underneath Celebrity Skin. It is a little bit more warm toned, really beautiful color. Again, I think it matches the lipstick perfectly. And as you can see, it's over the feet of my bat tattoo, and it's very opaque, so the formula is definitely spot on. The one I got is one that I actually recently got in a liquid lipstick form, and this one is a very interesting color. It's definitely dark. It kind of reminds me of Posh Spice a little bit, but a little bit more like, not as grayish. Here is Teabag, swatched right underneath Mannequin. Hopefully you guys can see that okay. So it is a really beautiful color, and oh my god, I'm living for it. Okay, I have 4 more. So the next one, I really only got this one because I thought that the name was really cute, and this one is called Cookie Dough Fetish. It is another nude one, so the rest of the ones that I'm going to show you guys are in the nude scale. And it is definitely more pinky than I thought it was going to be, but that's okay. Ooh, oh yeah, bitch. Ooh, I feel like this would look really nice over top of Doll Parts, that liquid lipstick that he has in his line. Is Cookie Dough Fetish right here, and again, it's covering my tattoo, which is pretty fucking awesome. Next shade, this one also looked very interesting to me, and I really wanted to try it. This one really looks a lot like Celebrity Skin, but this is in the shade House Tour. Here's what it looks like in the component right here. Again, I can't get over how freaking large these are. That's insane. Like, they're definitely like 4 or 5 inches. That's crazy for a lip gloss, but I like it. Swatch that right underneath Cookie Dough Fetish. House tour looks like, as you can see, it looks very similar to Mannequin and Celebrity Skin. I love nude colors like this. I think they're very flattering on my skin tone, and I live for this. I think it is so freaking pretty. This one I feel like isn't as opaque as some of the other ones. I don't know why that is. I don't know if it was just my swatching. Not really sure, but nonetheless, this is a really beautiful color. And then the last two that I got are, of course, nude colors. This one is called Blow My Candles. Again, really, really cute name. And this is another like true nude color. Okay, woo! This one's definitely one of my favorites. This one is very, very similar to Celebrity Skin, which I love because you guys know that is my favorite. So here's what Blow My Candles looks like. It's like a really cute nude. I really like this one. This one is so pretty. Oh my god, and I love the name of it. Then the very last one that I got, this one is called Naked in the Dark. So you guys, like, he just comes up with the coolest fucking names. So I'm gonna take it out of the box. Again, it is another kind of nude color. Oh, this one is really nude. I feel like this one would give you like that kind of concealer nude look to it, but it's really pretty nonetheless. Here's the last one down here. This one is Naked in the Dark. This one is probably the most nude one that I got, and it's definitely more pinky than any of the other ones that I got, like a very nude pink. I still really like it. It's probably not my favorite. I really think my favorite is obviously like Celebrity Skin and Blow My Candles. Those two are definitely probably my favorites that I've gotten. Here are all the colors swatched. Again, we have No Shame, then we have Blood Sugar, Wifey, Celebrity Skin, Mannequin, Teabag, Cookie Dough Fetish, House Tour, Blow My Candles, and Naked in the Dark. So those are all of the colors that I got swatched, and then of course the liquid lipstick up here. I am very happy with these. I think they look so nice and so pretty. I'm obsessed with these. I love the packaging. I love the smell. And the other thing I kind of like about when products have a scent to them is once you start to notice that the scent is starting to get a little bit sour or it's starting to fade, that's kind of when you know that they're getting expired or whatever. So I do kind of like that you have that indication. You can kind of tell a lot easier when they're starting to expire. And those are all of the Supreme lip glosses that I got from Jeffree Star's launch. Let me know down in the comments which one is your personal favorite color. If you guys got any of the colors from this launch, which one did you get? Do you like it? I really want to know if any of you guys got any of like the super crazy looking colors, like the bright blues or yellows or greens or whatever. Really curious to know your thoughts on those. I also really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to go down and give this video a huge thumbs up. I do upload every 3 to 4 days here. Love you guys so much. Until then, I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye! Mwah.